This is one of a series of videos of the behaviors and biology of the ant Pheidole adrianoi, the ant that never takes out the trash. Pheidole adrianoi is a very tiny ant of the longleaf pine forests of Florida. Nest openings are hard to find, looking more like gaps between grains of sand, but foragers can be tracked back to the nest. How tiny are they? Here's a grain of rice for comparison. Workers weigh less than the average grain of sand in which they nest. And yet, they dig nests 30 to 75 centimeters deep with 3 to 6 chambers. In a previous video, I described how the ants collect the sclerotia of a mycorrhizal fungus and line their nests with its fragments. The fragments sprout mycelia that bind the chambers into stable structures. But the ants have another odd behavior. They never take out the trash. While some trash may be incorporated into the floors and walls, most of it is packed into the ends of elongated chambers to form trash plugs. The areas outlined in red are packed full of trash. The red dot here marks a chamber that's completely plugged with trash. Most of the trash consists of the remains of insects, especially ants, that the colony has eaten. A scanning EM of macerated ant parts bound together by mycelia. And another. Trash plugs are soon invaded by mycorrhizal mycelia that bind the material into a cohesive plug. The mycorrhizae become visible under ultraviolet light after staining them with chalcofluor. Mycelia are apparent in visible light too. Much of what the colony has eaten can be identified from the remains in the trash. All of these ant species are common in the same habitat as Pheidole adrianoi, who have probably scavenged their bodies. The advantage of storing trash in the chambers instead of taking it out is not obvious, especially since trash plugs take up substantial amounts of chamber space. Pheidole adrianoi certainly presents a lot of mysteries for such a tiny ant.